Hello guys, welcome to GoMonkeyKin's Coding Lab, and today we're gonna make something really interesting, I believe. So I want to render the output of parsed beautiful soup content into Flask web application, and in order to do this I'll start with grabbing this little Heroku Flask app template that I've written in one of my previous videos. So just grab the link here and clone this. So what I really want to achieve is within the Flask app, let me just run this here. Within the Flask app, I would like to here's just the basic template. So I would like here to display the content of the parsed website, and then to give the user an ability to just click on the items, and those items would be checked somehow, say with the checkboxes or whatever, I don't know yet, and then only the checked data, only the data chosen by the user would be actually taken from the entire parsed content by Beautiful Soap, and would be stored into a single either CSV or JSON file or whatever format. So that's the part of my web scraping, visual web scraping service that I'm about to build these days. So it's my current project, my current side project to be exact. But when I just started to kind of making that straightforward, I came up with an issue that I can't really just go that straightforward way. So I need some sort of to make some sort of a test in order to discover what's the particular approach am I supposed to follow, or to follow the path, take the approach. Yeah. Okay. So without further ado, I would basically start writing some code, but before that I don't need actually this. Okay. I don't need to pollute this repo, so I would just grab the files, grab this app, so just copy and yeah, just make it here. So this would be my app. Okay, like this. And I don't need this anymore. Okay, so now I run this one more time. And date. Okay, great. Okay, and yeah, let's go basically to the code itself. Okay, and let's define some route here for our tests. So well, let's call this parse. Yeah. And want to return. Okay, do I have render template here? Okay, great. Render template. I didn't yet create that template. Let's call this parse HTML. Okay, and file. Great. And I would also use some sort of a file to basically parse with Beautiful Soup, I think, for yeah, parsing something from the real world at the very start, it's not a good idea. Too many tags there, so I can't. I already did try that and didn't came up with much. So okay, here, yeah, so here would be our template. So let's just check this out. So if I just go to parse, great. Okay, but so, well, maybe just to keep the navbar at some point. Okay. 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 So, yeah. Well, now let's basically start doing things. Okay, so probably. Okay, where am I supposed to use? Well, maybe just. Okay, so just in order to avoid uploading files from the disk, I would probably just create some sort of, yeah. I just create an HTML here. So let's say just some tags here. So HTML and say head and now let's make a body here. Yeah, also can have some title. Okay. And here, oh, let's have a header and let's have some paragraph. And also let's have some link to make use of the attributes extraction of the beautiful soup. So href auth, like this. This doesn't matter, we won't really ever try to run this, we just want to parse it. So link here. Am I recording the video? Oh, hopefully I do. Okay, and what else? Well, and let's create some sort of a div with a bunch of, so, or maybe not the div. Well, let's create it's better to create a form. And here we'll say to have. I just want to have some multiple attributes, like let's say class, something here. And then I just want, oh, what about, by the way, what if I have multiple classes here? Let's have multiple classes. I also want that action attribute here somewhere. Okay, and what else? Another, well, maybe method. Not sure if that's the exact way of defining the method in the form post, but doesn't matter. I just need another attribute over here. It doesn't matter how exactly it is called. So, well, I think this is it. And yeah, and well, within the form, basically, let's have some input text type currently. Well, I don't remember this. Well, okay, just forget that. Just forget that. So let's close the form tag. Okay. And okay, so I need to import beautiful soup here. So I don't really need requests, right? We're not really doing any requests yet. Don't look at this request. This is the Flask specific variable. Okay, so from beautiful soup 4 import beautiful soup. Okay. And here I say the content is equal beautiful soup. This is called HTML, right? Okay. HTML and the traditional LXML parser to parse the document with. Okay. And now basically what I want to see is whether this is possible to pass this content to the web page, parse HTML to this template. So okay, this server is still running, which is good news. Well, seems like it works. Okay, and now let's go to parse HTML and let's actually try to see, do we have some sort of content here? And we do, and this is really cool. Okay, just wondering whether Prettify works or not. Oh my goodness, if I could ever remember how to write the Prettify word correctly. Well, it probably does prettify something, but it doesn't really makes this new line fits. Okay, that doesn't matter. Okay. And now the most interesting part, which I really got stuck with in my previous try of recording this sort of video. Okay, so we can loop over the beautiful soup object, right? So let's try and do this. The problem would be doing this recursively until hit some sort like of a text element, maybe, I don't know, but okay, let's just do something. So we want for tag in content now. I've been playing around with some sort of jQuery implementation of JSON tree view element, so that takes the JSON data as an input and renders some collapse in tree view, that you can collapse the tree view and wrap and unwrap this, and that's implemented with jQuery. That could have been an option for this task, but you know, I just want to try and create something on my own. I'm not sure that's a really good idea, but still, and for him. So what? So maybe the paragraph, right? No, maybe let's call this. Well, it doesn't matter what's the tag, by the way. So let's take h5. Okay, tag. Right. Maybe not the tag itself, but the tag name. But okay. Okay, I'm just curious. What? Oh my god. Yeah, I'm just curious. What is he supposed to render here? It's a bit strange. Why he prints everything here? Okay. Okay, just see how much it prints this. Okay, so he does this basically twice, right? Okay, I need to find out something at this moment. So I wonder, does the content have the length or not? So answers 2. Okay, it seems like okay, hold on a sec. Yeah, let's basically use the tag name. Okay. So HTML and then none. Okay, so he observes this HTML tag as one tag. Well, that's cool. This none, well, I don't know what is this, but okay, just I want to Google one thing. It's not really related, but still. Hold on a sec. So get attributes, extract an attribute value, get an attribute value based, maybe list attributes, list all attributes. Yeah, this is it. Okay, attributes, great. And contents. What's the contents, I'm wondering? Yeah, wondering what is this contents means. Beauty contest, great. Okay, let's see some documentation. Is this one of my favorite? Yes, it is. Contents and children, here it is. Attacks children are available in a list called contents. So the head has the title inside, okay. Head tag, contents. Well, probably, yeah, it does give you the list, but basically I can do this by a simple for loop. So it's not exactly what I want here, but the attributes are taken using ATTRs, okay. What if I just try like this? Content. What are they called? Contents. This is strange. Well, forget that. Okay. Okay, so we have head and body. So is that really true? So in HTML we have the head and the body. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay. So now let's specify that do this only if tag 0 and this. So if it's not none, probably the Jinja rendering template probably give you some error. If you right here is not none or not none, probably that doesn't know what does that mean. Not sure, but probably give you an error. Yeah, doesn't understand that, but so we can check this out like this. So to make sure that subtag 0 is not none, it's actually this is truth. So if this returns 1, in this case, if this is none, it won't ever return 1. So, oh, well, maybe like this. Maybe like this. I don't understand anything. Okay, yeah, well, it doesn't matter basically, but okay. So what am I supposed to do here? Well, okay, let's go in further now. Okay. And the question here is how to do this kind of automatically diving in until the depth is exhausted. That's the challenge for me personally. So well, this non's making me so fucking crazy. And I don't know how to avoid them. Okay, so head, body, none, head, body. What the hell is this? Where are my div tags and the title tags? What a shit, man. Yeah. Developers atmosphere as is. Yeah. Oh. Just really wondering, am I supposed to be banned by YouTube if I say the words like fuck? I really want to say them, and some other words like that, for I feel really upset. Okay. Okay, so instead of trying to parse this directly in the page, well, forget this. Now I'll try to make this within some sort of a Python dictionary first, apparently. So, well, how to call this? Let's call this data, and this is gonna be a dictionary. Is it? Well, probably. Okay. Well, what I need is probably called how to traverse beautiful soup tree. How to traverse beautiful soup tree. Okay. Not sure about the algorithm, but let's have a look. This might be interesting. Oh, already does the recursive child generator. Oh my god, so somebody has done this before. Okay, is there a way to do that first? Traversal and beautiful soup parse stream, trying to do something like starting at the root, usually get all the child elements, and then for each child element get their children, etc. Motherfucker, guys, this is I'm sorry. This is so cool. Oh. Well, if children are watching my channel, I'm sorry for these emotions, but damn, this is so fucking great. Until I hit a terminal node, at which point I'll build my way back up the tree. Problem is, I can't seem to find a method that will allow me to do this. I found the found children method, but that seems to just put the entire page in a list multiple times, with each subsequent entry getting reduced. I might be able to use this to do a traversal. However, other than the last entry in the list, it doesn't appear there is any way to identify entries as terminal nodes or not. Man, this is fucking so cool. Oh, this is really great. Oh man. Hey guys, I just thought about one thing. When I had my in one of my recent job interviews, my client, I told my client that I have a YouTube channel and gave him a link. And Philip, if you're now watching this video, please sorry me for all those words that are not really that. I don't even know how to call them. Well, words like fuck, etc. I'm sorry for this. Okay. Oh, I hope you're not watching this, to be honest. Well, today's Skype interview would probably ruin this. Okay, so recursive child generator already does that. So beautiful soup HTML for child and soup recursive child generator. Get attribute child name none. If name is none, print name. Elif not child is space. This is so great. Yeah, I can't hold myself from grabbing the entire snippet. Oh man. Yeah. Yesterday I got drunk. I bought a new bicycle, by the way. I was so happy, and I drank for about 2 liters of beer. Maybe liters is not the right word. Well, it's Russian sort of. How many did you drink? It's just, well, it was a pretty big bottle basically. That's probably the reason why my voice is like it sounds now. Okay, let's get a bit serious. So, for child in content, recursive child generator. Python to like code. Oh, come on. Okay, HTML, head, title, and now we have the school title, body h1, header, p some text. Motherfucker, this is so great! Oh man, yes, this is it. This is exactly what I wanted to see here. Okay, so cool. This is so cool. Oh my god, guys who did Beautiful Soup, you're geniuses. It's so cool. Okay. I'm just really wondering, after this video where I don't really hold myself of expressing what is within inside me, I'm just wondering whether it whether it gives me more subscribers or somebody would unsubscribe from my channel after this video. Okay, that's pretty interesting. Okay, so I think a bit of a humor is always a cool thing, and hope not to get banned by the YouTube, but no, let me see, just let me see that. Okay, so can I do now this in the page? Recursive search generator. Wondering whether that method would be available. Okay, this is interesting. Yeah, so for child in content recursive. Okay, so let's just check this out. Well, it seems like it works. It's great. Okay, now let's dive into the code and let me try and understand what is written here. So graced of name, the variable called name. Maybe this is the tag name, right? Get attribute. Okay, from this one, the attribute called name, and I'm not sure what is this none. Let's search for, well, I can't just blindly copy paste this, but I'm really wondering what this get attribute function, what's this none attribute is given for. Let me check that out quickly. Well, and this link is tremendous. I'll keep this in the bookmarks. Okay, so Beautiful Soup. Attribute. So, oh my god, what is this? Do you have get attribute here? Well, they use this, but don't seem to explain much. Well, it's my favorite site. My favorite documentation for Beautiful Soup. Okay, let's look for get attribute here. Doesn't seem to exist here. Tag attributes. Well, it's a pity, to be honest. I really wanted to see the definition of the get attribute function. Okay. Well, probably, maybe this checks for whether it is none or not. Oh yeah, if name is not none. Or, okay. But hold on a sec, can I define the variable? Can I define the variable in the HTML with the Jinja template? Well, he would now tell me that there is no get attribute function apparently. Whoa, he didn't tell me that. Oh, he considers this to be, hold on a sec. Well, now he does this. What? End of print statement token. He definitely doesn't like it. Well, I definitely did move away from the dead point, but still pretty far from understanding of how exactly am I supposed to implement this. So, well, it doesn't seem to be the good idea. Okay, but hold on a sec. I can just rewrite the code like like this. Hold on a sec. I mean, yeah. Say if get attribute is undefined. This is much better error. I like it. Okay, and now let him know the name of this. Yeah. Okay. It works. It really works. So print name. And otherwise print the child. Don't print spaces. Maybe I want to print spaces, by the way. Now let me see this. So, okay, I just want to print something, and can I print like this? Okay, yes, link of tags, great. And wait a minute, hold on a sec. Man, this is gonna be so cool. Okay. So else. Okay, let's just print the child. Otherwise, else. maybe I call this tag. Well, okay. No, not like this. Not like this. So we get the HTML, head, title, and now we have the cool title. Okay. Then I have the body, here, some text. Okay. Okay. If I wrap this code into some sort of a div, I'll say this would be a row. I'm not sure that works, but okay. Yeah, this is cool. And now let's make it strong. Well, this also would be great to print each tag on the new line, but that's all the technical details. So the form doesn't have anything. Each reference have, well, maybe just, yeah, get rid of this. Oh, not like that. So hold on a sec. Is this an option? Well, not exactly what I wanted here, but it's definitely better. Yeah, this is much better now. This is so great. Okay, so what am I supposed to do next in this case? Yeah, I need to prettify this somehow. Okay guys, probably I just stop the video here and make myself some coffee, and then I will get back to you. So see you in the next part. Yeah, not even telling you goodbye for now.